Hey guys, I'm going to go over some dynamic lateral box step-ups. So this is great this is great single leg work. Helps really develop some glute and leg explosiveness as well as some hips as well. You will notice one side is better than the other. For me, left side tends to be better than the right. I'm a golfer. I get a lot of extension to the left side, so it's just more developed. With that being said, don't ignore training both sides. So what you'll need is a dumbbell in each hand, and you want to use a box that's about knee-high level. If it's too difficult, you can go lower. So you're going to begin torso upright, one foot's on the box, and so lift the foot slightly, stomp, and extend. Oh, watch your balance there, okay? That's a lesson learned, but you want to be very dynamic as you move through the movement. So let's try that again, all right? So, boom, gather yourself, come back down. So be careful with that, as you just saw. You can get your balance a little bit off. And that right there is the dynamic lateral box step up.